Hi, my name is Garima, and today I'll be using SAS Enterprise Miner to build decision tree, interactive decision trees, and then we'll compare both the models. For saving time, I've already set up the workspace here. We have the file import module. This is used to import the dataset. Today we are using the drug dataset. We can look at the variables. So the variable whose role is input are the independent variable, and the variable marked as target is the dependent variable received mental health treatment. We can also change the level of the variables here from binary to interval or to nominal or however we want it to. Then we have data partition. Data partition helps us divide our data into training, validation, and test sets. Now we are using 60, 10, and 30%. We have Stat Explorer, which helps us explain the statistics about the data, its mean, standard deviation, or maximum or minimum. We have Control Point here, which helps us control the process flow of the modules, and we can use the same process for building different decision trees or interactive decision tree or any other model we want to. I've already built the decision tree here. I've already run it. We will just look at the results. So SAS Enterprise Miner is based on cloud. It takes time. Here are our results. We can see there are different cumulative lift, leaf statistics, which compares the train and the validation dataset. We will have a look at the tree. The tree has age category as the first predictor. If the age of a person is between 12 to 17, then there are 100% chances that no mental health treatment has been given. However, otherwise, 85% chances no mental health treatment and 14% chances that mental health treatment has been given. Similarly, it takes into consideration work week and marijuana ever. Now we want to look at the summary of the evaluation. It is a very descriptive summary, and we will just look at the true positives and false positives. Yes, so here are our classification table. The number of true positives, false positives, true negatives, and false negatives for train and validation dataset. Now we will look at interactive decision tree. For saving time, I've already run the tree. I will just look at the results here. Interactive decision trees are decision tree which we can make manually as per our requirement or as per our discretion. We can even use the interactive decision tree to compare with the decision tree which the model has built. Here we see that work week has been taken first, then the age category, and then marijuana ever. However, the decision tree made by SAS Enterprise Miner took age category into consideration first, then work week, and then marijuana ever. So we can use model comparison to compare these two models. We have the model comparison already run here. We will just look at the results. We can get model comparison from the Access tab here. And we have the results. So red is the decision tree made by the SAS Enterprise Miner, and blue one is the interactive decision tree which we have made. We have a cumulative lift graph here which clearly says that the lift in the decision tree is better than the lift in the interactive decision tree. We also have the fit statistics here. We can look at some of the evaluations like misclassification rate. It is 0.096 for decision tree and 0.098 for the interactive tree. Again, if we look at average square error, it is lesser for the decision tree and more for interactive decision tree. The same evaluations are for training, validation dataset and for testing dataset over here. So this is how we use SAS Enterprise Miner for comparing different models and for building different models. Thank you for watching this video.